sound. Spells cast, whispers rise, rise, then pound. Shadows crawl where torches gleam. Wizardry burned into the dream. Parallel cries stretch through